Here's my Samsung refrigerator. I love the large double doors and all of the space that it provides. You have 3 shelves on each side and a small shelf on the bottom. Inside of here you have plenty of options and storage. You have a drawer down here for your cheeses, yogurts. It's called a deli drawer. It's pretty awesome that the filter for your ice maker is nice and compact and spacious in between your drawers. This is an awesome feature here. If you have something that is tall and you need space for it, all you have to do is slide it down. Bam! Space for your milk. The shelves are also adjustable with the slats on the side. Down below you have the chest. It has a little handle that you can pull to help you with pulling it out. A nice ice bucket that is removable. And then this slides down in. There's the rest of your freezer items. And then it just shuts again. And there's my awesome Samsung